baby, we about to get lit. Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video of Vlogmas. And here you see that we have all of our ingredients to make some lovely easy cocktails. So let's just go ahead and get into these recipes. Not Mariah. I have Zach in the background. Zach, come and say hi to the camera real quick. It's Zach, y'all. He's here as part of production and the taste tester. But let's just go ahead and get right into it. We're gonna start off with how the Grinch stole Christmas. As y'all can see, I got my phone set up right here because the recipe's on here. So we're just about to get right into it. And I got this cute little like ice thingy from the Dollar Tree. Well, it's not for ice, but I just thought it would be cute for ice. Add some ice in there. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of vodka. And I got this specifically because girl don't drink vodka. So put that in there. So now we're going to go in with some ginger ale. And then we're going to go in with the sour apple handcrafted mixer. Lastly, just a splash of jugo de piña. And if you don't hablo español, that's pineapple juice. For me to make a mess. But anyway, let's go ahead and put this aside while we get the rim of our glass prepared. So I'm gonna go in with some agave. You just wanna make sure that it gets on the entire rim of your glass because that's how your stuff is gonna stick. Some crushed peppermint because that's where the red and white comes in for the Grinch. Now you're gonna take your glass and just kind of dip it on that. Y'all better come up here and get y'all one of these. It's a chicken salad. Oh, why am I so funny? Why am I so funny? Okay, make sure you coat that entire rim. Here's the rim. And then now we're gonna see. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god, back again. Zach is gonna come with me and we're gonna taste them together. Hello, Zach.
Hello.
Okay, my straw is not like short enough, so I'll have you like take a sip of that. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm not mad at it.
That's a good little.
I'm really
festive.
not mad at it.
It's a good festive little drink.
A little bit more splash of vodka.
Right.
But I'm not mad at it.
I mean, what exactly is in it?
Okay, so again, we have the sour apple mixer, the ginger ale, pineapple juice, and some vodka. And then you line it with your peppermint accessories just to kind of give it a very Christmassy feeling for the Grinch. So
it's good.
No, I like it.
Good.
I really do like it.
I'll be back for the next one.
And welcome back to drink number 2. So this one, I have never made this one. I am definitely a basic margarita girl. I came across this recipe, so I wanted to try it, and y'all be the judge. Well, y'all will see from our facial reactions whether we love it or we hate it. So, you know, get your basic, get your ice. So if you need some more ice,
yeah,
you need an ice tray. Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our jig, and I know what this is called, by the way, but I'm gonna go in with a double shot of tequila, which is 1.5 ounce. And then, you know what? Let me just throw in a little 1/2 ounce because we'll be all right. Oh, wow. Just a little bit more. I'm sorry, Zach. This might be a little strong to be strong. But Diddy, sponsor your girl. So we're gonna go in with the tequila. We're gonna go in with the triple sec, and this is my first time using triple sec in my drinks at home, because if you make a margarita, you know it's real basic. So gonna go in with some of that. So then now we're gonna go in with some lime juice, and I have a lemon, but I just am lazy, so I actually went and bought freaking lime juice, because yeah, why not? Squeeze some in there. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of coconut milk. Y'all, this is gonna be a little interesting because again, I have never tried it with coconut milk. So I'm excited to see how this actually plays out. That tequila, baby, I'm ready. Hold on, y'all. Okay. All right, let's see what this is hitting for. For the garnish, just throw a little cranberry on top, I guess. A little cranberry moment. Okay, come on over here. Come on over here.
Oh, drinking a drink?
Okay, this one is making me nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I don't hate it.
It has like it's giving Christmas.
It is giving Christmas, yeah. I think like
I don't know. It's not as strong as I thought it was gonna be.
But the crazy thing is I can smell the tequila.
Yeah. This is a dangerous drink, y'all.
So I don't hate it. It's just, let me come back. Hold on. Let me try one more time. It's missing something, but it's a 7. What's your rating, Zach?
I would say a 7.
Like a 7. Yeah, it's giving 7.
It's good holiday.
It's a good like holiday-esque, like with the little garnish on top, your little cranberries floating in top. It's giving a 7. We'll revisit this one. I'm gonna perfect it, I'm telling y'all. Okay, y'all. Zach just put me on. We had to revisit this because we don't hate it. We just didn't love it. And you know what it was missing? Some cinnamon. I'm telling you, the cinnamon, it like, Zach, how do you even explain what the cinnamon does?
It just gives it like more of that holiday flavor. It's like a little kick.
And like before, I don't know if this was the case for you, but like before, like I could taste each ingredient, but now like this tastes like a complete drink. Does that make sense?
Right.
Yeah, so
Just level it out.
add a little bit of cinnamon and use your milk frother to blend it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna finish this one tonight. All right, y'all, BlendJet did not sponsor me, but I will have a link for you to get your own BlendJet. I love this thing. I literally take it to work. It's a really good, convenient, on-the-go like blender. So, and it comes apart for you to clean it, take care of it, do what you gotta do. And it comes with the charger and everything. I'll leave everything in the link down below. And y'all know I'm gonna have a code for y'all because I just love hooking y'all up like that. But next up we're making Mr. Jack Frost. And let's get into it. So Mr. Jack Frost, Zach is just helping setting up a couple of ingredients for me. Thank you, Zach.
A little garnish.
A little garnish for the top. All right, so we're gonna go in with some, it called for vodka, but as I told y'all earlier, like I'm not a vodka girl, and I'm from the Virgin Islands, and I really like Malibu. So I'm gonna go in with my coconut rum, and this is Malibu. You can get this literally anywhere. It's like 21% alcohol, so my sister, and I know she's watching this, that was her jam. And in the Virgin Islands, you can drink at 18, so that was definitely her thing. Throw in some ice pieces. Gonna go in with some pineapple juice. Blue curacao. And we're going to go in with a little bit of cream of coconut. And if you know, Coco Lopez is that girl, okay? Now that you've had all ingredients. Just gonna cover that and literally just up. Put it up one more time to make sure we got everything, you know? Don't want to leave no ice particles behind. I'm gonna start to like get my glass ready. I'm going with that agave earlier. Make sure my rim is very coated. And then I'm gonna go in on a plate of shredded coconut to kind of give it that like snowy effect. So now that your rim is all coated, probably could have coated it some more, but it'll do. All right, if this one is my favorite, y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna make it to work tomorrow. To you. All right, y'all, so I already know what time it is. Come on now. All right, Zach, come on, this is a moment of truth. Oh, wow.
Look, that's a good contender. Y'all already know.
Yes.
Y'all already know.
So again, for the ingredients for Jack Frost, use a little bit of Caribbean coconut rum. I picked Malibu because that's what I have in my house most of the time. Blue curacao. What the heck else did I put in here? Oh, the Coco Lopez. And then to decorate your rim, I use agave to kind of like let the coconut shred stick or whatever. And then ice, of course. I didn't want it like super icy, so it's like not super thick. I hope y'all can see that. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. And this last one falls in my personal favorite, which anything to do with some bubbles, baby. Y'all already know I'm gonna be there. So we're gonna need some Prosecco because I'm not about to open a whole big bottle and not finish that tonight because your girl got work in the morning. But this one is a holiday version of a breakfast mimosa, or quite frankly, mimosas can be drunk at any time of the day because it gives what it needs to give, okay? But I'm going to like mix the other ingredients and then come like top it with the Prosecco. They did it the other way, but we're doing it my way, okay? This is my show. So first we're gonna go in with some cranberry juice, some ice, some cranberry juice, and then we'll add a little bit of triple sec. Not too much though, because we don't want it to take away from the taste of the mimosa. And then just get that on there really good. TJ Maxx told me this janky thing. So we'll toss that in there. Oh wow, I could have cut that some more. It's whatever. So we'll get like that. Dang, I can never get this thing open. Okay, we'll pour some of that cranberry mix in there, and then we'll top it off with some sparkly Prosecco. Then just 2 little cranberries for some garnish. I should have put them on some like a little toothpick or something. That's what I should have did, but it's still giving what it needs to give. It is giving what it needs to give. Time for the tape. What was that from? Let's go, moment of truth.
Oh, now, I'm gonna let you go.
Oh, wow.
That's good. And hit it one time.
I hope you enjoy this video. Very easy, simple cocktails that you can make in your home. Crowd pleasing, as you can tell. Zach is not a paid actor. These are real life people. This is somebody's real live opinion. But thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because Vlogmas, baby, we're about to get lit.